Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install YouTube app in your laptop running Windows 11. Installing the YouTube app on Windows 11 provides optimized viewing experience complete with enhanced features, notification and easy to access your favorite content. So let's start the video. To install YouTube on Windows 11 PC, open Microsoft Edge browser. Now type in youtube.com and hit enter. Once YouTube page is fully loaded, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear. Hover your cursor over apps and click on Install YouTube from the sub-menu. A Install YouTube pop-up will appear. Click on Install button. The installation is complete. Allow this app to select the options you like. Click on Allow button. If you want to pin YouTube to your taskbar, then click on Yes. If we go to desktop, you can see YouTube app shortcut on Windows 11 desktop. Double click to open it. So that's how to install YouTube in Windows 11 laptop or desktop PC. Thanks for watching.